Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify a domain with GoDaddy step by step clearly. To verify a domain with GoDaddy, first, log in to your GoDaddy account. Once logged in, navigate to the My Products page. Locate the domain you wish to verify in your list of products. Click on the DNS button next to that domain. In the DNS management page, scroll down to the Records section. Click on Add to create a new DNS record. Select the type of record you need, typically TXT or name, based on the verification method provided by your service. In the host field, enter the required information as instructed by the verification service. In the points to or value field, enter the specific value provided for verification. Set the TTL, time to live, to its default value or adjust as needed. Once you have entered all the details, click Save to create the record. After saving, allow a few minutes for the changes to propagate. Next, return to the verification service and click on the verification button. Depending on the service, this may take some time to confirm the verification. Once confirmed, you will see a success message indicating that your domain is verified. If you encounter any issues, double-check the entered values and ensure there are no typos. If necessary, refer to GoDaddy's help documentation or contact their support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.